Hello, and you join me again in my shed. Bit of a sad news video this one, but something you may be able to help out on. As and I'm sure a lot of you have already got, is a shed in your garden or a garage, and one of our worst fears, I think more than burglary or robbery, is to have a fire. Well, unfortunately, I was watching a video today, someone I subscribed to called Retro Restore, Martin, and he's just done a video on one of his subscribers that recently has just had a shed fire and it's destroyed pretty much everything. Well, it's destroyed everything. So this channel I wasn't subscribed to until today. I didn't know about this channel. So it's Jeff, and the channel is Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restoration. And from there, what I can gather from his shed, he restores motorbikes and scooters, that sort of thing. Really good guy. I've just watched his video actually, and I've watched a few videos on his channel. So I thought I'd put this video out there just in case you can help. Martin at Retro Restore, he's set up a GoFundMe page. You can donate from £1 up to whatever you like. Or if you don't want to donate anything, just subscribe to his channel anyway. Send him some message of support. And of course, if you're in the UK, you might want to donate some tools or something. So I'll put the links below. I'll put a link below to Jeff's video, the devastation of his fire, and I'll also put a link to Martin at Retro Restore channel for the link that's on there for GoFundMe. I just thought I'd put this video out there as just some sort of help, really. It's our worst nightmare. You have a fire in your workshop or man cave, and that's it, just game over. Show him your support, send him a message on there, subscribe to him, and hopefully he can rebuild. So best of luck, Jeff, and well done, Martin, for setting up this GoFundMe page. Cheers.